Hey everybody, this is Forrest with Forrest Buys Houses. It is December 31st, 2019, New Year's Eve, and as you guys can see, we are always working. So nothing better than working into the new year. So we have the roof under paper. They ran out of paper, so that's why it doesn't look right. But they'll fix that. And then we got the siding going on. Windows are coming in, and house is in progress. Inside's been painted. I'll do another video later, but I'll just show you guys how you mitigate the need for having to remove asbestos. Don't tell anybody, right? So you wrap it, make it where you have a air barrier, a water barrier, and then you just put the vinyl on it. So things are moving right along, all right? And we'll do another update tomorrow, but this is just a New Year's Eve update. All right, take care. If you need help selling your house, give us a call. Bye.